Hi, Erin Kendall here with Personal Trainer Marketing Strategy, and today I want to talk with you about the 3 things that you can do to have a successful fitness business. And this is really true for personal trainers, yoga instructors, martial arts studios, any kind of fitness-based business where you're creating an experience for your customer. So we're going to go over 3 things today. The first thing that we need to make sure that you are nailed down on is your new clients. So the first step is getting new clients in the door. Where are those first few clients and new clients, new leads coming from? So this is where you're going to really need to nail down your marketing plan. How are you presenting yourself to the public? What is your visibility? How much time and how often are you spending on visibility and marketing to really fill that funnel so you can continuously get new leads for your business? If you don't yet have a solid marketing plan, go to erinkendallfitness.com/biz and you can get your marketing outline. It's also down in the comments as the link. So if you want to go down to the comments, grab the link, you can download it from there as well. The second step that we're going to go over is repeat customers. Of course, we need those clients that come in, try your product or service. We need them to love it and we need them to want more of it. This is one of my favorite parts. Okay, they're all my favorite, but this is one of my favorite parts of this whole system is creating that experience. And I think this comes from my hospitality background. I spent 10 years in hospitality before opening up my personal training business. And the thing that gets people to stay is not the thing necessarily that you're offering. So people call you because they want to lose weight, they want to look good in a bikini, they want to prepare for an event, they have a race coming up, they want to be able to do something, really amazing with their body, and that's inspiring to them. But what's going to keep them coming back? What is the thing that is going to continue to motivate people? And no matter what your fitness business is, there's something there that needs to really draw those people in and keep them in. So what is it? What is it that they are going to experience when they walk into your doors or when you show up at their door if you're a mobile trainer like myself? What is it that you bring to the table continuously at every session that's going to get them excited or at least willing to come back for another session or more products, whatever it is? So think of it as smell, sight, taste, sound, get all of the senses involved in there. If you have an actual physical studio, this is the fun part where you get to pick the colors on the wall, you get to pick the smell that, that they smell when they walk in the door. Is it a relaxing smell? Is there music that's really pumping them up to get them excited and their heart racing? What is it? Are you providing a full service experience where you're bringing them a towel? They feel pampered. They feel like they are being taken care of. So what is the experience that you're providing? Close your eyes, envision what this is, and figure out what you want people to experience when they're spending their time with you. Okay, so for me, I'll give you an example. For myself, I am a friendly yet firm personal trainer. We laugh together. Sometimes we cry, not because of personal training, but I really allow my clients to open up to me and I let them get comfortable with who I am and our relationship together so they feel like they can use that time to unwind, to talk about what's going on in their life. I know a lot of us gonna get that, right? And it can be really awesome when your clients start to confide in you because you know that you've created that safe space. They trust you. They know that you're not gonna push them so hard that they're gonna get hurt. So there's a trust factor involved in what I do. And so whatever it is that you do that gets your clients coming back for more, make sure you nail that down and really hone in on what your special thing is that you do for them. The last thing that we need to make sure that you do is you get referrals from your customers. So those customers that really love you and keep coming back for more, are they referring people to you when you post on social media, when you send them email newsletters and you ask them to forward it to a friend? Are they doing that? having fans that are going to rave about you to their friends and family is essential. So making sure that you are giving them not only the results that they want, but the experience that they want. And I find that oftentimes those two things combined brings you to step 3, getting referrals from your current customers. Now leave me a comment below and let me know what works for you. What is that special thing that you're bringing to the table for your clients to bring them in, to keep them in, and get referrals from them?